Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto. I want to thank Skillshare, the sponsor of this video, and we will draw a hand with ink. I already have a light sketch with pencil and I'll go over the outline of it with this fountain pen. In this tutorial we will go over how to shade it with ink. If you want to learn how to sketch or draw the hand in different positions, I recommend you to watch my tutorial on that. Now I mark some of the main wrinkles, like at the knuckles. I also mark where the visible veins go, like here. Right now they show too much, but once the hand is shaded they should be okay. And now, as you see, it's time for shading with hatching and cross-hatching. We consider that the light is coming from above and slightly from behind and to the left. So the edges and surfaces that are facing toward the left, we leave them lighter, and what is to the right, darker. To achieve the darker tone, we can go over in different layers, drawing short lines in different directions. Some of these lines describe the shape of the surface. It is interesting to note that if the left side is the brightest, all the way to the right is not the darkest point, since we may have some reflected light bouncing from the surface up. We may find the darkest areas, of course on the shaded part, but bordering the areas of light. So in this case, along the center of the fingers and where the dark meets the light on the hand. That is, just by where the shadow area and the areas in light meet. We draw a cast shadow on the surface to ground the hand, and then keep applying layers of short lines to darken. Like so. And if we want to darken even more, we keep going with more and more layers. At first the drawing darkens because we have less and less visible white of the paper. But also, since the ink is transparent, when we lay ink on top of more ink, it also darkens more and more. I love drawing with ink, and as a matter of fact, I created a course to teach that. Please give me a minute to talk about our sponsor, Skillshare. As you know, Skillshare is an online learning community in which you can take thousands of courses on practically any subject. I have taken several myself because I believe that it is very important for an artist to keep learning new skills, new tools and styles, so that our creations become richer and richer. And right now, in these times of uncertainty, it is ideal to be able to learn from home. Using the link below, at this time there is a promotion where as a new member you can get 2 free months of the premium membership. That means that you can try it for 2 months for free, and during that time you will be able to take all the courses you want. And it is very affordable too. If after the 2 free months you decide to continue, I think it is only about $10 per month for the yearly membership. And very importantly, you can take my How to Draw with Ink course right on Skillshare. And you can take it for free with a new membership. So I hope to see you there very soon. Okay, let's go back to our drawing. We will just give a few dark accents and expand a little bit the cast shadow. If you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. In the comments, please write me the secret code, that's your hand. Because a secret is that I drew my own hand. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to click on the link below for the free courses, and I will see you with more art on Tuesday.